Clopay's innovative Canyon Ridge Garage Doors keep growing in terms of style options, finishes, and most definitely popularity with homeowners who want the look and feel of real wood without all the upkeep. In this case, faux looks fabulous, not fake.
Clopay's Canyon Ridge Carriage House 5-layer garage doors take inspiration from the coach designs of yesteryear and bring them to life with today's technology. These doors are constructed with steel for strength and durability, as well as composite materials for beauty and realism. The overlay material is molded from real wood boards to reproduce the unique grain patterns and textures of those species. You can choose from clear cypress, pecky cypress, or mahogany options. The low-maintenance faux wood doors are constructed with moisture-resistant wood grain composite overlays and can be factory stained or painted in 7 colors including black and slate. You can even combine the finishes for a truly unique look. And don't forget about windows. Insulated glass options are available and include clear, frosted, seated, rain, and obscure. Also, the attractive beveled edge clip-in window grills are removable for easy cleaning. The warmth and charm of Canyon Ridge Carriage House doors help make your house a home.